When buying products online, you don't necessarily question the security of the application or platform you're using to complete the transaction. Retail companies often sell products using an online platform that manages purchases and maintains your account and personal details. Take Sam Scoops, for instance. Customers can order tubs of ice cream directly from Sam's website. Every time a purchase is made, the transaction information is stored. Sam has been meticulous about ensuring this information is kept secure. But how can Sam truly be sure that security measures she's implemented so far work as they are intended to? If you're thinking testing, you're absolutely right. This is where penetration testing comes in, or as it's also known, ethical hacking. Penetration testing is a systematic and authorized attempt to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in a computer system, network, or application. Its primary purpose is to assess an organization's security by simulating real-world attack scenarios. Penetration testing now plays a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities within organizational systems and networks. In this video, you will dive deeper into the world of penetration testing, exploring its numerous benefits, the challenges organizations face during testing, and the various stages involved in completing a penetration test. Let's begin by discussing some key benefits that penetration testing can bring to an organization. Firstly, awareness. Penetration testing increases stakeholders' understanding of possible security threats. By conducting these tests, organizations better understand the importance of implementing robust security measures. They also learn about the potential consequences of neglecting them. Risk mitigation is another benefit. By identifying and addressing vulnerabilities through penetration testing, organizations can reduce the risk of potential security breaches and data leaks. By detecting these vulnerabilities, organizations can successfully manage these risks before a breach and take any necessary steps. Lastly, compliance. Many industries have regulatory requirements to test their security. By ensuring that businesses follow industry best practices and compliance requirements, penetration testing helps them avoid fines and reputational harm. While penetration testing is essential for assessing your organization's security, it can present certain challenges. Live penetration testing can cause significant disruption to normal operations. This can lead to inconvenience or even downtime for your organization. It is therefore essential to carefully plan and coordinate testing to minimize disruption while ensuring thorough testing takes place. In some cases, live testing may also trigger false alarms, leading to unnecessary panic and disruption. By having a clear communication channel with well-defined roles and responsibilities amongst your IT teams, management, and employees, you can ensure everyone is aware of the testing process, leading to an increase in the overall efficiency of the test. Now that you know the benefits and challenges of penetration testing, you may wonder how a penetration test is carried out. Well, penetration testing follows a structured approach that involves several stages. The first stage is reconnaissance. Ethical hackers gather information about your organization in this initial stage, including network architecture, system configurations, and potential entry points. This information provides a foundation for the subsequent phases. Next is enumeration. During this phase, testers actively probe your organization's systems, identifying open ports, services, and user accounts. This stage helps them gain a deeper understanding of their target environment and any potential vulnerabilities. The ethical hackers then attempt to exploit the vulnerabilities identified during reconnaissance and enumeration. They do this by simulating a real-world attack scenario to gain unauthorized access to your systems or data, highlighting the potential consequences of these vulnerabilities. Once inside your systems, the testers escalate their privileges to gain administrative access and move freely within your network, mimicking an attacker's actions. This stage helps identify potential weaknesses in access control and network segmentation. Lastly, ethical hackers generate a comprehensive report after completing the testing. The report will detail any vulnerabilities discovered and their potential impact. It will also recommend remediation steps to tighten up your security. These valuable insights will allow your organization to prioritize and address the identified issues effectively, strengthening your overall security. Penetration testing has become an integral part of an organization's cybersecurity strategy. By identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses in systems and networks, organizations can proactively address them before malicious actors exploit them. However, balancing security and organizational considerations is crucial, ensuring that testing activities do not unduly disrupt daily operations. With proper planning, communication, and remediation, penetration testing can greatly enhance an organization's cybersecurity. This video gave you a comprehensive overview of penetration testing and the various stages of a penetration test.